Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do some DIY cleaning products. And I really want to get into this as one, they're super eco-friendly, which is great. Two, I feel like I can save a lot of money because most of the ingredients are things that I normally have on hand already. And three, I just want to do it. But anyways, if you're interested and you want to see how these things work, we are also going to try them all out and test them out so you can see them in action. And it saves you from you having to try it. You'll just know if it works. And if it works, you can do it if you want or not. Up to you. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So first things first is I needed equipment. So I got a spray bottle. I also have this jar because I kind of want to make something like Comet or that can replace Comet. I'm just gonna make two things because I also want to keep it pretty minimal. So I was recommended that baking soda and vinegar make a really great cleaning solution for like sinks and tubs and stuff like that. And I figured let's just go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure you could just sprinkle it in and then pour the vinegar, but I want this stuff ready to go. So we're gonna mix it together in this jar. And then, you know, watch as we make our own little volcano and then it settles down and then it'll be fine. Okay, so this recipe is really easy. It's just equal parts baking soda and vinegar, but I'm also gonna add in some lemon juice because I think that's gonna help make it a more pleasant smell. Really thought that was gonna bubble over. I just did 1 cup baking soda, 1 cup vinegar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in, I think, let's go in with like 3 tablespoons of lemon. And I'm just gonna mix it all together. It still smells like baking soda and vinegar. It doesn't really smell lemony. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use a real lemon and see if that impacts more flavor. Just rolling the lemon just to get the juices sort of flowing. I have another idea. I'm going to peel this lemon as well. So I'm just going to put the lemon rinds into the jar, and hopefully this will help to infuse more flavors in it over time. And then for right now, we're just going to add the fresh lemon juice in there. I feel like I'm going to have to mix this every time, like before I actually use it, just because the baking soda doesn't want to like combine with the vinegar. It just wants to sit on the bottom. Whatever, we're doing a good thing, so it's okay if we have to mix it a bit. Have our very first concoction ready to go. We're gonna make something super simple. We're just gonna do some watered down vinegar, and hopefully this is going to work for everything else. And the good thing with this one, it shouldn't smell as strong as this, because this we did equal parts baking soda and vinegar. This I'm gonna do like maybe 1/6 vinegar and then the rest will be water, so the scent should be much more mild. So that looks perfect, and then we're just going to add water to fill up the rest. I think essential oils would honestly make both of these things smell a lot better because it's a much more concentrated flavor. I'm just not really sure if essential oils are eco-friendly, but if they are, let me know in the comments below and we can try that out and I can let you know how it works out. So now we have both of our cleaning concoctions made. Let's go ahead and test them out. Okay, so we're currently in my bathroom. We are going to test this stuff out on the sink. And for the sink, I'm going to use the baking soda and vinegar. And on the mirror, we're going to test out the diluted vinegar water. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's already starting to separate. So I just want to see how well shaking it mixes it up. So it actually combined it back together pretty well. But if this was full, it definitely would have exploded out of the top. Dip a cloth in it. And we're just gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I'm wondering if it would work better if it was in a spray bottle. And because the vinegar is in there, it's definitely gonna kill a lot more bacteria than it would if it was just water. And the lemon peels honestly helped a lot. It smells way more lemonier. Almost a little bit like a lemon cake now. I'm gonna try it out on the stainless steel to see just how that shines it up as well. Just rinse everything out. Okay, that looks really good. Now we're gonna move on to the mirror. You can see me in the mirror right now. You can see I'm a little bit blurry and foggy. We're going to clean it and then see how clear I am. So it's not really ideal to use cloth. I would rather use newspaper, but I don't have any newspaper right now, so we'll use what we got. Oh yeah, this is gonna suck with this. I'm gonna go look for some newspaper or something and hopefully I find some, because I don't think this cloth is gonna work. I couldn't find any newspaper, but I did find paper towels, so let's try with paper towel. To me, or is this looking worse? I swear I've used this like before when I was younger. It didn't look this bad. You know what, just for fun, I'm gonna try it with the lemon solution. Just on half, just to see what that looks like. It still doesn't look good. Isn't that interesting? That is so strange. I really thought that was going to work really well. That's the thing that I was for sure was gonna work, and I wasn't really sure about the baking soda. Okay, let's try something else. That was super disappointing. I did find another website and it said to add in some rubbing alcohol and that should do the trick. So I dumped out like that much of the solution that we already had in here, and I'm gonna just add in the rubbing alcohol. Oh, it smells so much worse now. It definitely made the water look a lot different as well. Like you can see the rubbing alcohol floating in there. But let's go ahead and just give this a shot. Let's try to fix some of this disappointment. Again, I'm just gonna do half because I want to compare it to our first solution. It definitely looks better, but it's still super murky. Like this was it before, and as you can see, it looks awful. This is it now. It looks better, but still awful. I'm really sad. I really thought that was gonna work, and it didn't. I'm gonna try it with paper, because I don't have newspaper, but paper is like the closest thing to it. Okay, I'm gonna spray it on. Half. Oh my gosh, so rough. So I actually do think the solution does work. I think I need the right tools. Fortunately, I live in a place where I've never delivered newspapers, so getting some is gonna be difficult. I'm still gonna say it works, just not great. Okay guys, so I think we can conclude with the baking soda and lemon worked better than expected. The water and vinegar pretty much worked, just ain't the most fabulous. But with the right tools, I think it'll work brilliantly. And yeah guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want me to do another like part 2 to this video where I try out store eco-friendly products, let me know and I can definitely do that for you. And subscribe for more videos every Monday and Thursday. And until next time,